So how much damage can a Roo do to a basic street car? Well, have a look at this. This is what got cocked up on the roller skate after it got hit. That's the front support panel. That's a banana. Big plastic bumper bar. That's all staved in. That's shot. We got one destroyed fan and fan shroud. That's all broken. Radiator. That's supposed to be straight. That's stuffed. Air conditioning condenser. That's totally stuffed. One completely dead engine. That's enough damage to put a roller skate off the road. Roller skate 0, Kangaroo 1. It really didn't do it any favours whatsoever. There's the 80. It's outside at the moment. It actually doesn't look too bad for an old boosty. Body wise is pretty good. Don't know what I'm going to do with this thing. I was thinking about pulling the motor out of it and making a trike, but it couldn't be stuffed. It's a write-off. All this damage down the side, windows. Structurally it's damaged on the inside. It's got a good radio in it though. That'll probably go in the 80. I am thinking maybe do a demolition derby with it. Just totally destroy it and then take it to the scrap metal yard. Might be a bit of fun. Alright, so roller skate's all back together. Well, almost all back together. Just got to put the external stuff on it. It's got plenty of coolant. Everything's there. Let's see if it'll start. Look at that! It runs! Then let's see if it overheats. It seems to be running quite well. Alright, so it's been running for about 10 minutes now. What's it doing? Turn the motor on, make sure it's got plenty of coolant going right through everything. Seems to be running pretty good. It's at operating temperature. Got a little bit of warmth in there. There's plenty of coolant in it. Doesn't seem to be spitting coolant everywhere. Might be on a winner for a change. Oh, might help if I have it in gear. Yeah, nothing wrong with the car. That was the operator. Definitely the operator. Pretty happy with that. Certainly can't complain. It lives, it's on the road. Only thing I've got to fix now on it is the air conditioning. There's definitely need air conditioning in Townsville. Alright guys, gals, cheers, I hope you liked that. If you did, hit the subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed, and smack the like button. Yeah, do all that stuff, and we'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, bye.